Hello friends, what is up? Welcome back to my brand new video. Today I collect some colorful toy and colorful vehicles. This is my collecting bucket, and here guys, lots of amazing colorful vehicles and colorful aeroplane. At first friends, wow friends, small vehicles. After collect and put it here, and next friends, wow friends, a big vehicles. Collect and put it here, and next friends, a small aeroplane. Collect and put it here, and next friends, wow friends, a big vehicles. After collect and put it here, and next friends, wow friends, a big vehicles. Wow friends, collect and put it here, and next friends, a big gun. Wow friends, collect and put it here, and next friends, wow friends, a big aeroplane. Collect and put it here, and next friends, wow friends, a small vehicles. Collect and put it here, and next friends, wow friends, a big vehicles. Collect and put it here, and next friends, wow friends, a small vehicles. Collect and put it here, and next friends, wow friends, a big vehicles. Wow friends, collect and put it here, and next friends, wow friends, a big vehicles. Wow, collect and put it here, and next friends and last friends, wow friends, a big vehicles. Collect and put it here. Wow friends, water, fresh water, and friend fast friends. Wow, a big vehicles. After why these vehicles, wow friends, a big fully green color combination super duper premium quality double decker school bus vehicles. Collect and put it here, and next friends, wow friends, small vehicles. After why these vehicles, wow friends, white color combination super duper premium quality city service vehicle. Put it down, and next friends, wow friends, a big vehicles like truck vehicles. After why this vehicle, wow friends, this is big truck vehicle. Wow friends, collect and put it down, and next friends, wow friends, a big gun like water gun. After why this gun, wow friends, fully green color combination super duper premium quality water gun. Collect and put it down, and next friends, wow friends, a big vehicles like fire service vehicles. After why this vehicles, wow friends, fully red color combination super duper premium quality fire service vehicle. Collect and put it down, and next friends, wow friends, a school bus like. After why this bus, wow friends, a small school bus. Collect and put it down, and next friends, wow friends, a big vehicles like crane vehicles. After why these vehicles, wow friends, fully green color combination super duper premium quality crane vehicles. Put it down, and next friends, wow friends, a small aeroplane. After why this plane, wow friend, fully white color combination super duper premium quality Z aeroplane. Put it down, and next friends, wow friends, small vehicles. After why this vehicle, wow friend, super duper premium quality white color combination aeroplane ambulance. Wow, put it down. And next, friends, wow, friends, full excavator vehicles. After watch this vehicles, wow, friends, fully white color combination, super duper premium quality excavator vehicles. Put it down. And next, friends, wow, friends, small vehicles. After watch these vehicles, wow, friends, red and black color combination, super duper premium quality small truck vehicles. Put it down. And next, friends, wow, friends, a big aeroplane. After watch this plane, wow, friend, red and white color combination, super duper premium quality fighter jet plane. Put it down. And next, friend, and last, wow, friends, a big vehicles like fire service vehicle. After watch this vehicle, wow, friends, red and white color combination, super duper premium quality fire service vehicles. Put it down.